So here we have it. Müller in Paris is this Räusleber rye bread. I've never made rye bread before. I saw this in the shop, and here it says that it's got Roosteigener Jori, which means it's got a starter culture in it. So the root is in there. So I've been making it. That's the table, because you have to roll it in flour. And over here is the actual bread itself beginning to rise. It should rise for about 40 minutes. Nice little sort of fork marks on it, serrated edges, and I've got one lot in the oven already. And there they are in there, and I think they look pretty nice. They should be in there for another 10 minutes and then they should be ready. So it's been in the oven at 250 degrees for 25 minutes, and it's only got 20 minutes or so left before I take it out, but I think I'm going to take it out now. And it looks very nice. It looks like rye bread. That's it. 0 again to take it out. So there they are, nestled under an old cloth to keep the moisture in. And this is what they look like now. So I think they came out rather well. Nice design on it, and I've had it with some cheese and butter, and it tastes really good. And this is what it looks inside. It's quite a nice structure, and around about the edge there you can see there's quite a nice looking crust. So it's quite crisp, but nice in the inside. So I think that was a success. Bread for a few days now.